Hello everyone, very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to discuss about the 70% syllabus and 30% deleted content and important questions as well as the model question paper in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing for the MPHW first year students. Okay, so let me see the one by one. Okay, so this is the syllabus of the MPHW first year students in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing. This is a third paper. So how many units are there? 9 units will be there. Easy trick. Okay, so I will show the easy trick for memorizing the syllabus of the primary healthcare nursing. Okay, T B S I C C T F E. So this is the syllabus of the primary healthcare nursing. So T is nothing but the hospital, B for the body hygiene, S for the specimen collection, I for the infection control measures, and C for the okay wait ma. So C is the common health problems, and one more C is the care of physically mentally challenged, D for the drug administration and management, F for the first aid and referral, and E for the emergency care. So these are the how 9 units will be there in the primary healthcare nursing. So let me see them like a weightage of the marks. In the weightage of the marks, like a 4 marks. So here the if you see the common health problems. So in common health problems, if you study overall the common health problems, you may get the 25 marks weightage will be there. Okay, so next priority you should give to the care of physically mentally challenged, like a 12 marks questions will be this. First you have to give the preference for the common health problems. 25 marks weightage will be there, and care of physically mentally challenged 12 marks, and drug administration management 12 marks. Okay, so here the 12 marks weightage. Okay, drug administration management, care of physically mentally challenged, and one more is the common health problems, and one more is the infection control measures. Okay, and next coming to the hygiene of the body or otherwise body hygiene. Okay, last priority like a hospital concept of hospital and emergency case. So this is like a weightage of the marks in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing. Okay, so let me see the like a other syllabus like this is the concept of hospital. In the concept of hospital you should know the very well about the like a definition of hospital, functions of the hospital, classification of the hospital, admission and discharge of a patient, and nursing as a profession. These are all the questions are very very important. Okay, I told no. So the hospital in first unit there are the two partitions will be there in unit one, like the hospital, and one more is the preparation of the patient. These are two topics are comes under the concept of hospital. So in this unit you have to read the definition of the hospital, functions, classification. Okay, functions of hospital, classification of hospital, and one more the admission discharge of a patient, and nursing has a sometimes they may ask like a 2 marks questions definition of the nursing. Okay, all the very very important questions first unit. So next coming to the preparation of the patient, this is all the comes under unit 1 only, but here they may ask sometimes like a preparation of the patient unit 2 marks questions. Okay, and bed making, the types of bed making, like a bed, closed bed, open bed, occupied, unoccupied bed, cardiac bed, amputation bed, fractures bed. These are the types of the bed making, isn't it? So in this preparation of the overall, if you see the first unit like important questions: definition of the hospital, functions of the hospital, classification of the hospital, admission discharge of the patient. Sometimes they may ask for 6 marks questions also. So 2 marks questions nursing has a profession. And if you see the subunit of the subtopic of the unit 1, like a types of bed making and a patient unit. Okay, so these are all the important questions. Okay, unit 1 is clear now. So second unit if you see the personal hygiene. Okay, in personal hygiene, in body hygiene also, this topic is this unit is divided into two partitions. Okay, this is a personal hygiene, and next one the needs for optimal functioning of the body organs. Okay, in personal hygiene this is a general topic only. If you know the side headings easily according to your own way, easily you can elaborate these questions. Okay, you have to thorough with all the unit. Okay, personal hygiene. In this the care of hair wash is deleted. Care of hair wash is deleted. Okay, next coming to the needs for optimal functioning of the body. In this they may ask sometimes like a positions. Positions is very very important. Okay, like a prone position, sims positions, like a polars, semi-polars, high polars, dorsal recommended position, left lateral, right lateral, lithotomy. So different positions also important. Sometimes they may ask. Okay, and next one is the here, and one more like a posture. Okay, posture also is a way of standing, way of sitting. This is called as a posture. Okay, posture exercises and position. These are three topics are very very important. It's clear. So next coming to the like a yes, in yes like a specimen collection is specimen collection. Anyhow methods of collection is deleted, but you have to read the methods of collection. Why I am telling means, if you may get the principles of the specimen collection. Okay, the principles of collection only are 6 or 7 points will be there, but you have to get the more marks means at least you have to write the side headings of the methods of collection. That's the reason I am telling to read the principles and methods of collection. It's clear. In this unit, they may ask labeling. Okay, labeling. So before taking the sample, before going to take the sample from the patient, first we have to stick the and like a plaster, like a name, sex, like a name, sex, bed number, IP number, purpose of the sample, and you have to date, and you have to mention the signature that whatever you are writing on this that plaster you have to keep on to the sample. That is called as a labeling. Okay, sometimes they may ask labeling. So this is the unit is very very important. Okay, many principles and methods of collection, and labeling also is a very very important. Next, coming to the infection control measures. In infection control measures, like methods of sterilizing equipments deleted, but in these like a methods of methods of disinfection, methods of sterilization, methods of antisepsis. In antisepsis, they may ask 2 marks question. Oh, this is you will find only 2 marks questions, but you may get the long questions like methods of disinfection, methods of sterilization. Sterilization is nothing but the completely destruction of the microbes and microorganisms. It is known as sterilization. Disinfection is nothing but it will inhibit the growth of the microorganisms. It is known as a disinfection. Okay, in the hospital setup we will use for the disinfection thermometers. Okay, it will reduce a cross infection. Okay, so this is the sterilization, autoclaving, hot air oven, and like a sterilization of the operation theater before doing the surgery. So these are all examples for the sterilization. It's clear na? Sterilization, disinfection, antisepsis. Antisepsis only is so useful for the 2 marks, but 6 marks questions, disinfection, sterilization is a very very important question. Okay, so next coming to biomedical waste management. In biomedical waste management, okay, in biomedical waste management, these are all the topics you have to know. The like definition of the biomedical waste management, 2 marks questions. Sometimes they may ask sources of the biomedical waste so where we are getting this waste, how we can dispose the waste in different levels. So okay, this is also very very important. Okay, methods of disposing the waste, like with the help of the color coded system: yellow bin, white bin, black bin, red bin. You have to know the color coded systems, you have to know. It's clear na? Okay, so definition of the biomedical waste management, sources of the sources of the hospital waste, and principles and methods of disposing the waste in different levels. It's a very very important question. It's clear. Okay, so next coming to the common health problem. So in this, sometimes they may ask vital signs. Okay, normal temperature. If they will ask 2 marks questions like a vital signs, normal temperature, normal BP, normal respiration, normal pulse rate, everything you have to. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This is normal temperature. Like a pulse, like a 70 to 8 beats per minute. Respiration, 18 to 20 breaths per minute. 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. This is a normal BP for the patient, a normal individual. Okay, sometimes they may ask vital signs. Okay, and next procedure of vital signs. How you can check the temperature, how you will monitor the vital signs for the patient. This is the procedure. Sometimes they may ask next types of fever. Very very important questions. Types of fever and nursing management of patient with fever. There are 3 topics are very very important. Not 3, 4 topics are very very important. Okay, sometimes definition of the fever. Okay, more like define the vital signs, do the procedure, explain the procedure of the vital signs, types of fever, management, nursing management of patient with fever. These all the topics are very very important. Nursing management, nothing will be there. Like if you get the fever at your home, how your mother will take care of you, like that you have to imagine, and that only you have to write. Okay, and that you have to think and write. Definitely you will get the correct answer only. And one more here, if the patient is having the normal temperature is the like 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is the normal temperature. If the patient is having the 101, you have to give the ice cap, sorry, cold compress. Okay, if the patient will the 102 temperature, ice cap. 103, cold sponge. That points you have to write. It's clear na? So once again I am telling: 101, cold compress; 102, ice cap; ice cap. Next 103, cold sponge or sponge bath. So when you are writing the nursing management of a patient with fever, these are all the things you have to mention. It's clear? Okay, next coming to the respiratory problem. In respiratory problems, sometimes they may ask common cold, cough, tonsillitis, common cold, cough, tonsillitis, pneumonia, sometimes TB. Okay, these are all the things. But you have to list all the respiratory problems. For example, if any question they may ask in common health problems, you have to make it a habit. Like these are the respiratory. For example, respiratory is there, no? Like a cold, cough, bronchitis, pneumonia, tonsillitis, TB. First, you have to write like this, and based on that you can write it. If you write this column, so whatever, if they will ask cold, no, you can write this cold is comes under respiratory problem. That you have to make it this diagram, this you have to make it like a table, then they will get a good idea. Okay, this is clear now. Okay, like this you have to write. So you have to list out all the like a fever, what are the fever cases will be there, like a fever cases like a typhoid, malaria, dengue, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis, Q fever, yellow fever. These are all the like a fever. You can write here fever. These are all the cases you can write it here. You got it my point? In this respiratory also you have to write the like a types. Like this you have to write. You have to remind the, you have to read the classification like types of the respiratory problems or whatever it problem. You have to list all the specific conditions you have to write. And one more, you have to read the nurse's role. It's clear na? Nurse's role you have to read. Okay, it's clear. Okay, next coming to the GI system. GI system is nothing but gastrointestinal problems. Here that you have to read like this: indigestion, anorexia, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, hemorrhoids. It's clear na? Like this you have to make it notes with the help of the tables. It's clear na? Digestive problem, indigestion, anorexia, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, hemorrhoids, ulcers, hernia, intestinal obstruction, like this. It's clear na? If you are like a bad luck, you may get 6 marks questions from this particular unit. You don't know how to elaborate the question. So what you have to do, at least you have to write the introduction about the gastrointestinal problems, and you have to make it this column like a this simple way, and based on that you can elaborate. And after that you have to write the nurse's role, what you will do, what type of care you can provide the, like if the inpatient with suffering with the gastrointestinal problem. It's clear to everyone now? Okay, so here in this unit they sometimes they may ask indigestion, constipation, hemorrhoids, diarrhea. Okay, these are all the very important topics. It's clear. So next coming, sometimes ORS ORS also. Okay, 1 glass of water, pinch of salt, sugar, pinch of salt, sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. You can add it and you can give to the diarrhea patients. It's clear. This is a home remedies. Okay. Next coming to urinary problems. In the same way, urinary problems means what you have to write: retention of urine, incontinence of urine, renal colic, edema. These are all the topics that comes under urinary problems. It's clear. Like this you have to make it column. Next in this unit they may ask retention of urine, renal colic, edema, anyhow they deleted. It's clear now? Okay, so next coming to the cardiovascular problems. The same way, cardiovascular problems, what you have to write: heart attack, next chest pain, anemia, hypertension, leukemia. These are all the topics. Whatever it is deleted, but you have to write all, you have to mention all the topics under cardiovascular problems, and based on that no need to read hypertension and leukemia. Okay, sometimes they may ask anemia is a very important. Sometimes they may ask chest pain. Least preference for the chest pain and heart attack, but most preference you have to give to the anemia. Lack of oxygen in the blood levels, you may get the anemia below 7 grams per deciliter. It's clear. So next coming to diseases of the nervous system. So here the diseases of the nervous system, what you have to do: this is a headache, next back pain or backache, paralysis, stroke, pressure points. These are all the things are okay. Clear now? So write this. You have to make it like in notes, and based on that sometimes they may ask stroke 2 marks question. CVA, it is also known as CVA, cerebrovascular accidents. Okay, care of pressure points, very important. Okay, care of pressure points, back care, positions already I told no, positions are very sims, pro, no, left letter, right letter, exercise also very important. Okay, these are all the things you can read it. Next, metabolic diseases. In metabolic diseases, like in these thyroid problems are very important. Okay, thyroid, you have to keep it in mind. Diabetic care, so you have to read the diabetes condition, thyroid, Okay, like a in this, you have to read P cube. Diabetes means P cube. Polyuria, polydipsia, polyphasia. Excessive thirst, excessive hunger, excessive urination. This is the P3. Diabetes means P3. Excessive polyuria, polydipsia, polyphasia. Excessive urination, excessive thirst, excessive hunger. Okay, it's clear? Okay, and food care also sometimes they may ask. Okay, and sometimes urine testing, administration, insulin injections also not that much importance. You can write it. It's clear. So next coming to the unit 4. In unit 4 also care of physically mentally challenged. This is a total unit is very important. Okay, total unit you have to read. Okay, handicap. Okay, definition of the handicap, different types of the okay physical, mental, okay, and social. This all the you can write it, and you can what type of counseling you can give to prevent the certain handicaps. Okay, this also this overall. If this is in very easy only, you can write this one. Overall topics you can read it. Next types of drugs. In types of drugs, definitely they will ask. Okay, administration of the drugs is very important. Administration of drugs is very important. Sometimes they may ask classification like a analgesics, analgesics is nothing but the it will reduce the pain. Antipyretic, it will reduce the pain as well as the fever also. Antihistamines, anti-allergic drugs. Okay, antihypertensive, it's like a hypertensive drugs. Okay, antiviral, like it will kill the virus. Antibacterial, it will kill the bacteria. Antifungal, it will reduce the it will kill the antifungal, antiparasitic. Okay, so different will be there. That is a classification of the drugs. Okay, classification of the drugs and administration of the drugs. Administration of drugs is nothing but the like different will be there, like a per oral through mouth. Next, intra IM, intramuscular, IV, intravenous, intra ID, intradermal, IT, intrathecal, IOS, intraosseous. Okay, and next coming to SC, subcutaneous. Okay, and next coming to the PV, per vaginal. Next, PR, per rectal. Next, PA, per anus. Next, installation of drops, ear, nose, throat. Okay, and next topical ointment, external ointments. Okay, these are all the administration of the drugs. The very important question. Next, separate, even though here will be there again separate subtopic unit will be there. Is clear na? Okay, say roots. Roots, don't get any confusion. Roots also same meaning. Administration of also same meaning. No need of get. Other than the oral, we can call it as a parental. Okay, other than the oral, we can call it as a parental. Intradermal. See here, intradermal, subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous, different rectal, local, others. Okay, this is all very important topic, ma. Okay, next coming to the 5 rights. Sorry, 6 rights or 5 rights will be the right patient, right drug, right treatment. Okay, right patient, right patient, right patient, right drug, right dosage, right time, right route, right documentation. These are only 5 rights. Okay, these are very important. Okay, so next come the drugs used in minor elements. Okay, like a minor rule elements you have to list out first: fever, cold, cough, aches, pain, loose motions. So how you have to list out all the minor elements. So you have to mention little bit of drugs. What are the drugs we can use it for fever? Paracetamol. For cold, D-cold. For cough, like a tusk. Okay, for aches, diclofenac sodium. Pain also, diclofenac sodium or Oviran. Loose motion, fluconazole, fluoroquinolone. These are all the things we can use it for. Okay, it's clear. Next, common emergency drugs. In common emergency drugs, okay, you have to keep it like this. All you have to list out all the common emergency drugs. Okay, like a magnesium sulfate, derifilin, evil, antihistamines, vitamin K, okay, and anti-rabies and anti-snake venom. These are all emergency drugs. Okay, magnesium sulfate, derifilin, okay, evil, it will antihistamine, derifilin, bronchodilators, antihistamines, it will reduce the allergy, vitamin K, it will prevent the blood coagulation, anti-rabies, dog bite, okay, anti-snake venom, okay, for the like a snake bite. So these are all the emergency drugs. You could keep it in mind. These are all the any question they may ask. Next, first aid and referral. In first aid and referral, you have to know the definition of the first aid, principles of the first aid kit box. Okay, this is all. And one more here. This is a very important question. Principles and methods of bandaging. So definition of the bandage types and uses, principles, methods. 100% is a expected question. Bandages, definition, types, uses, principles and methods. It's clear. Roll bandage, crepe bandage, triangular bandage. Okay, next coming to minor injuries and elements. Okay, minor injuries and elements. So in this sometimes they may ask, wounds are very very important in this wounds topic is very very important. Sometimes they may ask. Okay, foreign body removal also sometimes are asked. Okay, this is burns also, wounds, foreign bodies and burns. The three topics are very very important. Next coming to the fractures also very very important. Okay, definition of the fractures, types, causes, treatment. Okay, these are all the topics. So in this unit, see here ma, in this unit, okay, first aid important, bandages important, okay, and foreign bodies, wounds, burns important, and fractures, types, classification, causes, and first aid care is important. Okay, next na emergency care. In emergency care life threatening conditions, no, sometimes they may ask any one. Okay, actually poisoning they may ask. Okay, suffocation is deleted in this. Okay, like a CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, they may ask. Okay, poisoning. Okay, unconscious, loss of consciousness. Okay, severe burns they may ask. Shock also ask. Here consciousness is there, no, consciousness. Okay, consciousness, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, convulsions, shock, poison, or sometimes dog bite, snake bite. Severe burns already finished now in the previous unit. So this is overall the 30% deleted content, 70% content, and important questions. Sometimes I have given the explanation wherever necessary also. So let me see the separated deleted content as well as the model question paper for you people. It's clear? Okay, so this is the 30% deleted content in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing paper 3 for the MPSW first year students. Okay, unit 1 departments. So no need of worry about that one. If you know the, it's not that much important topic also. Okay, preparation of the patient resources. This was also not that much important. No need of worry. Yeah, hygiene of the body. That is also a very important topic. Important, not important. General unit only. Okay, these are all the topics are deleted. Optimal functioning of the body, also self actuation, not that much important. Here the specimen collection, I told no methods of collection is deleted, but principles of the collection is there. Okay, I told to read the methods of collection, at least know the side headings of the specimen methods of collection. Next, methods of sterilization also deleted, that you have to read the at least side. If sometimes if they ask the principles of the sterilization, at least you can write the method side headings and you can elaborate the principles. It's clear now. Biomedical waste categories of the biomedical waste management. Okay, and here pulse temperature is deleted. Okay, digestive problem, anorexia is deleted, renal condition, edema deleted, leukemia, hypertension is deleted. Okay, pressure points deleted ma, no need of read. Drug kit also deleted, infections deleted, suffocation is deleted. This is all overall the topics are deleted in this like a primary healthcare nursing. It's clear to everyone na? Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask in. So I will show the model question paper also. Okay, so this is a model question paper. Okay, this is a define hospital, what are healthy habits, what is specimen collection, sterilization, vital signs, symptoms and signs and symptoms of hypertension. Okay. Okay, define sterilization, specimen collection, vital signs, signs and symptoms of hypertension. Hypertension deleted. Types of handicap, Ayush, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy. General treatment for fever, paracetamol. Okay, Dolo 650. These are all the, what is meant by bleeding. Okay, and 6 marks questions. Types of hospital beds, open bed, closed bed, occupied, unoccupied, fractures, cardiac beds. These are all the types of beds. Okay, pressure points deleted, biomedical waste. Okay, pneumonia, renal colic is deleted. Okay, active and passive exercises. Detail about diabetes, I told no diabetes like a P3s. Okay, diabetic care of diabetic food. Okay, management of foreign bodies. Okay, fractures, classification, causes, management of fractures. Describe in detail about the life threatening conditions. You can list out all those things. Till now I don't know like a life threatening condition is nothing but like in this way you can write it like a, for example life threatening conditions like a poisoning. Okay, unconsciousness, shock, burns, foreign bodies, drowning. Okay, and next okay, shock, heart attack, CPR, this all comes under life-threatening condition. Like this also you can write it instead of wasting, instead of leaving the topic, you can write it like this. Okay, it's clear now. So till now I discussed about the overall the 70% content, 30% deleted content, and model question paper also I have shown, and I will show separately, like in short separately I will keep the one more model paper also. Until then you have to thorough with the whatever I explained, the important questions you have to thorough with this all things. Okay, all the best. Okay, thank you all for watching my channel.